Welcome to DJ TV.
Yes, so my people, we greet you now. The presidential election tribunal don come outside come deny say dem no fit September 16 for judgement o. See all the talk wey dey go about say dem don fit September 16 for judgement. E say na false, say na fake, say dem no fix date, dem never fix date for judgement. Anyway, my people, I no go talk too much. I wan just read una the report from Sahara reporters, wetin dey talk, all wetin dey inside. Make una just lis ten to this report from Sahara reporters. Nigeria Presidential Election Tribunal denies fixing September 16th for judgement on Peter Obi Atiku's petition against Tinubu. The Presidential Election Tribunal in Abuja has said no date has been fixed yet to deliver its judgment on the respective petitions challenging the election of President Bola Tinubu. The Secretary of the Presidential Election Petition Court Panel, Barrister Josephine J. Ekperu, confirmed this to the Western while reacting to a viral report that the tribunal has fixed 16 September 2023 as the judgment date for Abubakar Atiku of People's Democratic Party (PDP), Peter Obi of Labour Party case against Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), Kashim Shettima and the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC). Sahara reporters observed that the report had generated to a lot of engagement among Negids, particularly on X formerly Twitter. For instance, a popular singer and activist, Charles Chukwuemeka Oputa, popularly known as Charlie Boy, had also shared the claim on his verified Twitter handle. He wrote, "Obedient, are you ready? The tribunal has announced that the judgment date for the cases involving Peter Obi of the Labour Party against Bola Ahmed Tinubu, INEC, Shettima and APC, as well as PDP case of Atiku against APC, INEC and Tinubu, is scheduled for September 16, 2023. But Erorope, while speaking to the Western, denied that September 16, 2023 being a chosen tribunal judgment day. No date yet, the officials replied to the Western inquiries. In May, Sahara reporters reported that the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal had merged the petitions submitted by the various political parties while giving the pre-hearing report on the petition and representing the trials scheduled. It also reserved judgment on the petition filed by the Allying People's Movement (APM) and Atiku Abubakar of PDP in order to deliver the judgment on the same day with that of Peter Obi of the Labour Party. Now wow, this one wey dem call a shift judgement up and down, dey move and go here, move and go there. Upon everything, so these people now, they never ready to give judgment like this. They my partner visit this matter and see am. This one get as e be o. E dey suspecting o. May no provoke Nigerians again o. Anyway, make una no forget to like and share o. Make una share this video so that e go reach those who never hear wetin dey sup for inside the tribunal. Una do well. DJ